2812 Canary. Driveway, long driveway. Roof. Front structure seems pretty stable. Walking in the front door, living room. Excuse me. Oh no, you're fine.
Yes, ma'am. Okay. All right. You're welcome. Bye-bye. This is one of the bedrooms right there.
Thank you. Make a left to main hall. In here? Okay.
Yeah.
Make a left to main hall. Bedroom 1. Little line there, covered up crack. Line there. Closet.
I see we had filled that up because it was little mice started coming in, so I didn't know.
Oh yeah, no, that's not a big deal. I was actually gonna ask if there was like original hardwood floor on this.
Yeah, probably. So it was carpeted when I moved.
It was carpeted. Okay. Back to main hall. Bedroom 2. Under. There are possible hardwood floors here. Definitely decent rental. Bathroom. The floor here falls into that corner of the bathroom.
I love it. But they some character. Baby, go ahead too. He is amazing.
And there's only 2 bedrooms?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Walking into the kitchen.
Pantry.
Pantry. Be right there. That's thinking. Tile on the floor coming up. Under the kitchen sink. House goes in to this wall. You can just feel it on the floor that goes into that wall. Pantry. Going that way, it kind of comes up like a little hill.
Did you go to the bathroom?
I did go to the bathroom. Thank you. Actually, can I go out the back door?
Yeah.
And walk around the back to the front, and then I'll be out of your way, okay? I really appreciate it. Thank you. Coming out the back door to the backyard. And I'm just gonna walk around.
Okay, that's fine.
Thank you. Fully gated backyard. Fence falling there. Exterior of foundation. Looks nice. Clean on this side. It's the middle of the house where there's a fall into it. There's a crack in the foundation right there. And that's where, more deep into the house, you feel that the floor caves in to the middle where the bathroom and the kitchen wall are connected. There is leaks. I did see leaks like bubbling in the ceiling in the kitchen. There's a concrete foundation there. Windows. It's a kitchen window. This is the living room window. No central air. That's the driveway to the property, to the street.